Hello, my name is Mod. Before this course, I feel very nervous about English and I want after to speak. Now I feel more confident and I can speak more than before. The biggest challenge is that I am the braver. I try to speak even if I make mistake. My favorite activity was the word guessing game is help my remember words and work with my friends. After this course, if after this course, I feel more confident to speak English. Thank you, my teacher, for always supporting me. I will keep practicing and do my best. Thank you.